Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I want to share some landscape design tips for the beginner. I've always been interested in interior design and transforming the spaces around me to fit my style and personality. Did you know that a lot of the same concepts apply to designing your outdoor areas too? I wanted to share some landscape design tips that I've learned from the experts at English Gardens that have really helped a beginner like me. Tip number 1, determine the space that you want to design. Consider the space around you and how you want to use and enjoy it. Choosing a defined area helps to make the project less overwhelming and more manageable. It's okay to start small. Even the smallest design changes can make a huge difference. Plus, the beauty of starting small is that there is always room for change. You might find new inspiration or you may need a new solution over time, and a small space is easy to change up. Tip number 2, make a wish list of your wants and needs. Maybe it's a corner that needs reworking, or maybe you start with planting a few new shrubs or a small flower bed. Perhaps you want to enjoy and entertain on a small outdoor patio, or simply just want a nice space to relax. There are so many options to fit exactly what you want and need. Tip number 3, take note of the surroundings. Think about any existing elements you want to keep. Are there successful plants or foliage that you want to remain intact? What are the light and sun levels like during different parts of the day? Is there any wind exposure to note? Be sure to also take note of any soil types, access to water, and natural drainage. You can get a soil test at English Gardens if you need. Sometimes it's helpful for me to draw a bird's eye view sketch. I'll notate the placement of any buildings, the house, fences, stone walls, boulders, trees, large shrubs. This really is like a survey of the land before any work begins, and it is so helpful. Tip number 4, welcome any and all inspiration. The internet has given us so much access to design inspiration. Sites like Pinterest and Instagram are great for finding cool new ideas and designs. And you can discover so much from taking photos while traveling too. Think about your favorite colors, flowers, and plants. You could start by visiting English Gardens to see what grabs your attention. Collect all of this inspiration and use it when creating your design. And finally, tip number 5, recognize the time, energy, care, and budget you have allotted. You might be a garden enthusiast ready to take on the DIY work, or maybe you just want to sit back and relax. Recognize what you are willing to put in and don't get ahead of yourself. English Gardens has services that will help you with both. Which one is right for you really depends on whether you want to do some or all of the work yourself or prefer to have your landscape designed and installed for you. For me, I have a very small space, so DIY was definitely a good fit. Plus, I wanted to try my hand at seeing what I could create. You can learn more about our many landscape design services by visiting EnglishGardens.com. Stop into any English Garden store today to find everything you need to make life beautiful. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy summer! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.